my amazing nail enthusiasts. I am Tati, your natural nail guru, and today we have another amazing collection to swatch. So Harmony Gelish and Morgan Taylor came out with their spring collection. It is 6 colors. The collection is called Out in the Open. Before we get into the swatches, let's review what it is that we're looking for. So number 1, we look at consistency of the gel polish. Is it too thick, too thin, messy? Is it easy to polish with, essentially? Are we getting the coverage that we're wanting within 2 coats, or do we need a little bit more? And last but certainly not least, we're looking at the match between the hands and the feet, because it sucks when we have a hands and feet combo that don't really match. So we want to take a look at that. Now, if you like swatches and nail product reviews, the most thorough nail product reviews, if you want the best tips that are going to help improve the longevity of your manicure and the overall health of your natural nails, this is the channel that you want to be glued to. You want to make sure you're subscribed, notifications on, and share it with your fellow nail enthusiasts, because everything that you need to know about the best wearing manicures, best products, and how to improve your nail health, this is where you're going to find out. So if you're not already subscribed, take a moment, click those buttons down there. I'll give you a second. All right, now let's not waste any more time and get to these swatches. All right, so first color we are going to swatch is Keep It Simple. This one looks like a nudish pink. Oh yes, very pretty. Very nice, like a mauvey nudish pink. Ooh, good coverage on the first coat. Super cute color, nice coverage on that first coat. Let's see what this looks like when it's done. So here we have it, 2 coats, beautiful coverage, lovely color. This is definitely going to be a fave with my clients. Super cute. Let's check out the next one. This one is No Limits. This one's like a sparkly one. Ooh, that's really pretty. Should I get it in the lighting here? It kind of looks more goldish in the video. Definitely a sheer color. It looks like the mylar. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, you can totally see the gold in that. This will probably be really nice as a top coat. All right, let's finish this one up. So here we have it. Put my hand underneath. 2 coats. This one is super cute. It is a soft sheer color. I'm pretty sure it's intended to be kind of sheer. Really, really pretty. Actually, it'll probably look really nice as a top coat. Let me check this out real quick over here. Oh yeah, definitely looks really cute as a top coat too. All right, super cute color. Let's check out the next one. This one is Be Free. Also looking like a mauvey rosy tone. Really cute. Definitely looks like it's gonna have good coverage. Oh yeah. Nice consistency, brushes on really nicely. Great coverage on the first coat. Oh, I love when I have good coverage on the first. All right, let's finish this one up. So here we have it, all done. Beautiful coverage, beautiful color. Love it. Check out the next one. All right, this next color is In the Clouds. It's like a grayish, bluish. That is super pretty. I have a bunch of clients I can think of right now that's gonna love this color. Melissa, this one's for you. Oh, this is so cute. Really pretty color. It is a super light color, but great coverage just on the first coat. Let's finish this one up. So here we have it all done. Super cute color. Definitely gonna be a fave. Love it. All right, let's check out the next one. This one is called Dancing in the Sunlight. Also looks shimmery. Let's unscrew that. Really pretty glittery polish, kind of champagne tone. Really pretty. It's so sparkly. Super cute. Let's check it out with 2 coats. Here we have it all done. 2 coats, has really nice coverage, definitely a champagne tone. Really pretty. Now we have one more to check. So this last color of the collection is Take Time and Unwind. This one looks like a really nice deep reddish brown. This one's super pretty. Also, another one my clients will like. Really nice color, and like the others, really nice coverage on the first coat. Let's finish this one up. Here we have it, 2 coats, beautiful color and great coverage. All of them having really nice consistency, really nice coverage. I love it. Now let's check out hands and feet match. All right, so here we have the top row are the gel polishes, the bottom row are the regular polishes. They definitely have a really, really close match. The 2 that I would say are not so great, I mean, it's not too noticeable, but this one is definitely a little bit darker on the toes than the hands. And also you can definitely see a difference in the glitter for that champagne. It's definitely more glittery, more intense in color for the gel polish, and a little bit lighter and softer on the toes. Not a huge deal. I guess this one would be the most noticeable. That one you could totally play it off. It's not a big deal. But the rest of them are pretty nice match. This one might be off a little bit of a shade too, but I'm just being super nitpicky. Overall, really, really nice colors. They look super cute together in any combination. The coverage was really great, and the match between hands and feet is definitely really nice. Super cute. So there we have it, 6 beautiful colors. Great consistency, great coverage, and good match overall. Definitely across the board, a great thoughtful collection. Although it's really small with only 6 colors, I think that they really thought about it really well. These colors, Gelish doesn't have it all, so they are brand new colors for sure. I would say that the colors definitely combine really, really well, and any combination or all of them combined together look really, really nicely. So overall, I thought it was a thoughtful collection, and definitely, if not all, a couple of colors that some of you out there will probably want to have. So that's all we have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches. I hope the information helped you determine whether or not these are colors that you need. And as always, make sure you drop a comment down below if you want to give feedback, or if you have any questions regarding this or any other nail related thing. So thank you so much everyone for taking the time to watch the video. Make sure that you share, make sure that you like, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.